Welcome to IELTS Academy 9. I'm Yusr, and in this video we will study the English articles. So let's get started. The English articles are a, an, and the. They seem simple, but they are confusing for some people. That's why it's very important to know that they come with a singular noun. Singular means one, and noun could be a person like man, woman, doctor, or a place like park, house, room, or something like table, book, or pen. A and an comes with general nouns, and they mean any. So if I say give me a pen, this means give me any pen. It's a boy, this means he's a boy, he's not a girl, or he's not a woman. It's an animal, this means it's an animal in general, it's not something else. And as you know, we have a and an. And an comes with a word that begins with a vowel, and the vowels are a, e, o, u, and I, or with a word that begins with a vowel sound. Like these examples here, it's an egg. Egg begins with a vowel, e. It's an orange. Orange begins with o. Or it's an hour. Although hour begins with h, but h is silent, so it begins with the vowel, a sound, hour. And we use an to make it easy to pronounce, because imagine if you use a, it would be very difficult to pronounce. It's a egg, it's a orange, it's a hour. That's why we use an to make it easy to pronounce. The is a different story, because that comes with definite nouns, not general. Definite countable nouns. Definite means specific, something I know exactly, and countable means it has the singular and plural form, like table, tables, pen, pens. So give me the book, this means there is a specific book I want, and I tell you give me the book. If I refer to book in general, I say it's a book. It's a book, it means it's a book, it's not a table, it's not a pen. Where are the shoes means where are the shoes I'm looking for, so I mean specific shoes here. Someone would say shoes are plural, but you said that these articles come with singular nouns. Yes, but with the come with singular and plural when it's a specific, when it's definite word. Where are the shoes? But if I'm talking about shoes in general, I'd say these are shoes without the. We use the also with a word that we talk about for the second time, like I found a little puppy, the puppy looks sad. I have sandwiches, the sandwiches are sufficient. Again, plural, the, here because it's repeated. It's a word that's mentioned for the second time. The also comes with unique items or things that are only one in the universe, like the earth, the sun, the moon. It also comes with some countries like the US or the UK, and these are abbreviated words, like we use initials, initial letters, or the Maldives, the Bahamas, these are islands, or the Netherlands. Also that comes with seas, rivers, and oceans, like the Mediterranean Sea, the Amazon River, or the Pacific Ocean. It also comes with well-known buildings, like the White House or the Eiffel Tower. So that's all for the video. I hope you like it. So please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to watch all my new videos.